We believe that every child deserves a safe, supportive learning environment to focus on their education and their future. However, bullying is a subject that many of our students face on a daily basis.
It degrades and devalues an individual, making them feel less worthy than their peers, and creates an unwelcoming environment that interferes with the educational process.
I've witnessed firsthand the devastating effects it can have on a person, or in this case, my daughter, who's on the autistic spectrum. Throughout middle and high school, she was bullied for being different.
As a young person who lived through the trials of middle and high school, especially during the time of integration, I quickly learned the value of inclusion and helping each person feel welcome in an educational setting.
We know that a child's health, both physical and emotional, influences his or her ability to succeed. Preventing bullying is critical in building equitable schools that prepare all students for success.
That's just one of the many reasons I emphasize the anti-bullying objectives in health education.
We have strict policies in place against hazing, an organized form of bullying, and provide opportunities for education of coaches, students, parents on bullying, hazing, and other inappropriate behaviors.
We believe everyone deserves an opportunity to learn, grow, and thrive in a welcoming atmosphere.
We can address this issue if we work together. We encourage our PTAs to work with the schools to build teams to address this issue, create opportunities to come together and dialogue.
In our youth programs, we do not tolerate any type of bullying. We promote the values of caring, honesty, respect, and responsibility.
At Healthier Generation, we work with schools by providing evidence-based programming and resources to empower kids to develop lifelong healthy habits.
Educate your parents, community, and most of all the students on how to address this issue.
We know that a child's health, both physical and emotional, influences his or her ability to succeed. Preventing bullying is critical in building equitable schools that prepare all students for success.
Join with me, the North Carolina High School Athletic Association, and our state's educators in our commitment to make a welcoming and inclusive environment where education of every student can thrive.
Together, we can stop bullying.
Every child deserves a safe place to learn.
The Harrison Family YMCA stands strong to stomp out bullying.
Let's stomp out bullying.